making a couple of moves and
Insert the inner part of the hub 45D into the rear left hub support 45C. Align the two holes in the rear left hub support 45C with the two highlighted holes in the rear left steering knuckle 45A and secure the parts with 2B screws. Place the rear left arm support 1 and 2, 45B over the two highlighted holes in the side of the left rear steering knuckle 45A. Secure the parts with 2I screws. Retrieve the final assembly from the previous issue. Attach the rear left brake disc fairing 44A to the inside of the rear left steering knuckle 45A. Finally, secure the left rear steering knuckle 45A to the rear left brake disc fairing 44A with 2A screws. Retrieve the assembly from the previous issue. Insert the rear left arm 1, 46A into the highlighted slot in the rear left brake disc fairing 44A. Secure the rear left arm 1, 46A to the rear left arm support 1 and 2, 45B with the B screw. Insert the rear left arm 2, 46B into the highlighted slot in the rear left brake disc fairing 44A. Finally, secure the rear left arm 2, 46B to the rear left arm support 1 and 2, 45B with the B screw. Retrieve the assembly from the previous issue. Insert the highlighted tab on the rear left upper suspension arm 47A into the highlighted slot in the rear left steering knuckle 45A. Secure the rear left upper suspension arm 47A to the rear left steering knuckle 45A with an S screw in the highlighted hole. Insert the highlighted pivots on the rear left brake disc deflector 47B into the highlighted holes in the left rear steering knuckle 45A and the rear left brake disc fairing 44A. Secure the rear left brake disc deflector 47B to the rear left steering knuckle 45A with an R screw in the highlighted hole.